Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Epic Games, use your existing Epic credentials, or create one if needed. Once signed in, make sure you have your Microsoft account email and password at hand, and confirm any two-step authentication method is accessible. Open the Epic Games website or the Epic Games launcher. Do not use incognito because cookies and redirects are required. This first step initiates the OAuth flow that will allow Epic to connect accounts securely and preserve your game progress and purchases. Next, go into Epic account settings, choose Connections, then Accounts, and click Connect next to Microsoft. You will be redirected to the Microsoft sign-in interface, enter credentials, and accept any multi-factor prompts. Make sure you read the permission list. Epic requests access to identify and link accounts. This is necessary so Epic can associate purchases and cloud saves. If prompted about merging profiles, pause and verify which account will retain game libraries. Confirming completes the OAuth exchange and returns you to finish. Verify the Microsoft account shows as linked in Epic's Connections tab and confirm the shown email matches what you expect. Once linked, sign out and sign back into the Epic Games launcher so entitlements and cloud saves refresh correctly. If something fails, clear browser and launcher cache, ensure Microsoft multi-factor authentication is working, then retry the connection. If needed, unlink and relink after verifying credentials. This troubleshooting step resolves most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.